Hey there. Want to use your Amex card on popular platforms like PayPal or Uber? Linking it is simple and lets you earn points on all those everyday transactions. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to link it. For PayPal, log into your PayPal account, go to Wallet and click Link a Card. Enter your Amex card details. For Uber, open the Uber app, go to Payment in the menu, tap Add Payment Method, and enter your Amex info. In both cases, you may need to verify the card through a small temporary charge that you confirm. My crucial pro tip? Make it your default payment method for maximum points. In each app settings, set your Amex as the primary payment option. This ensures you never miss out on points by accidentally paying with a debit card or other credit card. That's how you extend the earning power of your Amex to your entire digital wallet. Which service do you use more, PayPal, Uber, or something else? Share below. For more tips on integrating your cards seamlessly, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.